Hello, my name is Mike Reynolds. I'm a Territory Manager for the RLC Business Group. This is your March 2021 video update for Turf Equipment and Supply Company. The GrandStand MultiForce from the Toro Company is your one machine with year-round productivity and performance. Switch from bagger, blower, plow and power broom attachments and boost profits no matter the season with the GrandStand MultiForce stand-on mower. The GrandStand MultiForce stand-on mower is an all-season machine that will change the way you do business. Contact a dealer or a RLC Territory Manager for more details. Do you have a passion for helping others? Would you like the opportunity to impact others in a positive way each day? Turf Equipment and Supply Company is expanding its best-in-class mobile service team on the Eastern Shore and Baltimore area. Our mobile service team has set a standard in the Mid-Atlantic area for providing efficient and effective on-site service. We are looking for experienced equipment technicians with integrity and a passion for their trade to join our team. If you are motivated to advance your career working for an award-winning Toro distributor, please contact us through our website at www.turf-equipment.com or contact Dave Tolley directly at davetolley@turf-equipment.com. Did you catch the most recent Dirt Smart video in March Golf Irrigation newsletter? In this installment, we give you the necessary checklist on what you should look for with a daily pump station walkthrough. The video includes topics such as how to check your surge protection devices, pump seals, pump lights, switches, panels, and alarm when you're performing your daily walkthrough. Not receiving our monthly golf irrigation newsletter? Contact your Territory Manager to be added to our database. Did you know that Turf Equipment is your supplier for fin sales, repairs, parts solutions? We are stocked with all the repair parts for your bark blowers, hydro seeders, and straw blowers, so you can be up and running this spring. Call our parts department to learn smarter ways to work with fin. Have you ever found yourself in need of a small piece of liner to finish a pond install, drainage project, or even deer stand roof? We have a list of liner remnants with reduced pricing. Just call any one of our locations and we can let you know what is available and the savings. Are you faced with finding new ways to treat weeds in and around sensitive areas? Add a FOAMSTREAM system to your fleet in 2021 and control unwanted vegetation on all surfaces, in all weather, all year round. FOAMSTREAM delivers technology that will change the way you see the future of green space maintenance. Turf Equipment and Supply Company is the Mid-Atlantic distributor for Weeding Tech's FOAMSTREAM products for sales and service. Call Dustin today for additional information. Coming soon to the commercial group is an entirely new product line of grass and turf maintenance equipment. Branded under the BULLSEYE product name, the new lineup including grooming, cleaning, and decompacting solutions for synthetic turf managers, in addition to brushes, cultivation, renovation, and seeding solutions for those maintaining any type of natural grass. The BULLSEYE line is about meeting your turf needs with solutions that make your job more productive. These units will be available later this year, but for more information, please contact your Territory Manager. And that's the Turf Equipment and Supply Company video update for March 2021. Visit our website at www.turf-equipment.com for all of our upcoming events, specials, and education resources.